You're watching How Leap. Let's log out of your X, formerly Twitter, account. Open the X app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open the main menu. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap your account. Next, tap Account Information. You will be asked to enter your password. To proceed, after verification, scroll down to the bottom of the account information page. Tap Logout. Confirm by tapping Logout again in the pop-up. You are now logged out of the app. To log out on the web, go to twitter.com on a browser. Click the More option in the left sidebar, then click Settings and Privacy. Click your account and then Account Information. Enter your password. Scroll down and click Logout at the bottom. To log out of all sessions, in the app go to Settings and Privacy, tap Security and Account Access, then tap Apps and Sessions. Tap Sessions and then log out of all other sessions. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.